Hi guys, I'm gonna share you my experience using this ProPress tools. I decided to buy it when I get this job, because I was going to replace this main valve shut off because it was leaking, so I had to shut the water off from the street. Then when you do this kind of work, it's hard because the water never stop dripping. If you solder it, it takes much longer, but with this tool I think it makes my life so much easier than soldering. And also this spot it was very tight, and as you can see it's far away because there was a wall in there and the space was so tight. So yeah, I decided to go at the store. So in this case I went to Ferguson and I bought this tool with $2,500. So I think it's worth it to buy this tool. And yeah, I did this job and it took me like maybe 5 minutes to 8 minutes to get it done. And I think it's good to have this tool because it makes our life so much easier, believe me guys. Yeah, that's all. And if you like my job, I invite you to follow me so I will upload more videos about home remodeling. Thank you guys.